Guess who's back again? My clean scalp. So tell a friend. What is up, Flockers? That is my fellow Lockers and aspiring Lockers. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you about my scalp journey over the past couple of months and just let you know how that's been going. So if you're dealing with dandruff issues and you've got locks, then stick around because I might have something interesting for you. I am tongue-tied. Stick around. So I just got back from a month-long trip in another country. I was in Kazakhstan for a month. And granted, the weather is different there, the climate is different there, the water is different there. Literally everything is different there. And so my scalp went through the ringer. And I also decided to take travel bars instead of liquid shampoo and conditioner with me. And so my scalp wasn't having it. Although I loved having the bar form of the shampoo and the conditioner because of its convenience and its size and traveling and all of that, my scalp needs extra attention, extra measures. And so before I left, my scalp was doing really good. I wasn't having flare-ups and whatnot because I had been using Nizoral. It was the Flockers that put me onto this, and it had been working really well with my scalp. I tend to water it down because this is a 7-ounce bottle, and I think I got it on Amazon for $15, and so I wasn't trying to only get 2 or 3 washes out of this. So I do water it down to help it to stretch. Went to Kazakhstan, gone for a month, and I'm telling you, you could probably look back on some of my last, or I guess the video of me showing what I took on my trip in terms of like my travel bag. You could probably see on my scalp, or even if you look at some of my shorts, like the outline of my head was just looking extra dry. What was that character's name on the Dave Chappelle show? Tyrone Biggums. Like how his lips and stuff used to be extra crispy. That's how my edges were looking. My scalp was dry. I mean, everything was just flaking up. And so after being back home for a week now and washing my hair twice with this, look y'all, and I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and be like, I don't have any dandruff flakes at all or anything like that. But comparatively, like, we're looking good compared to what we were before these 2 washes and compared to what it has been like for the past month. There are some dandruff flakes that are like right here and stuff like that that are still coming out, the residue. But in terms of the scalp itself, like the scalp is clean, the scalp is fresh. The scalp has not felt this good in over a month. And so I am extremely happy. Not getting any type of endorsement or anything like that from this product. Those of y'all that have been around on this channel know that I like to put y'all on. It has nothing to do with me getting a kickback or anything like that from promoting products. All right, you can either go with my suggestions or you cannot. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. I will put a link down, an affiliate link in the description. It does help if you click on it and end up buying something to support the channel. But I promise you, the percentages that the creators get from the affiliate links is like 3% or 1% depending on the type of product. So on something like this, if you were to buy it, I might get like 3 cents or something. I'm bad with math, but I mean, it's like nothing. The great thing is that it costs you nothing extra to click on it, and it helps to support the channel. So yeah, but this right here, Nizoral or Nizoral, however you pronounce it, wherever you're from, however you want to pronounce it, Nizoral, I feel like sounds exotic. But yeah, it really does work really well. They say it's clinically proven. It is David Jaysway proven. The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the scalp, baby. And I'm telling you, I have struggled with scalp issues for decades now at this point. So anything that can give me itch relief, dandruff flake relief for days or a week on end until my next wash is a win for me in my books. When I don't constantly have huge dandruff flakes on my shirt. Like before, even after I washed, when I was in Kazakhstan, I would wash my hair, and the moment that I got out the shower, I already had huge flakes all over my shirt. I couldn't wear black shirts because it was just a hot mess. And as y'all see now, I don't know how well you can see on camera, but we're not filled up with snow white flakes, so we're good. All right, this product works. It's amazing. It's not the only thing I use to wash. I wash with this, and then right now, because I kind of just use what I have, so to wash the rest of the length, I mainly concentrate that on my scalp, and then for the rest of the length of my locks, I've been using this tea tree shampoo. It smells really good, and it's got a little bit of that tingle Honestly, this time for conditioner, I used the leftovers of the conditioner that came in the box color that I used on my hair. But any other time, I would have been using the Aussie conditioner, which I have right here. You can tell it's all beat up and stuff because I'm using it. I do use it, but yeah, I use the Miracle Curls Aussie, the coconut and jojoba oil. But yeah, I like it because it's cheap and it does the job. It has my hair feeling extra soft, my locks feeling soft, smells amazing, and like I said, it gets the job done. So that's the combination that I have used in my locks to get them soft and whatnot. And then the routine has not changed in terms of moisturization. I did change the order though, because one person recently asked me in my comments, they were like, why do you do water, oil, and then leave-in conditioner as opposed to water, leave-in conditioner, and oil? And honestly, there was no premeditated thing. It wasn't like I was trying to do the LOC method or anything like that. That's just the order that I was putting the stuff in. But I'm like, you know what? Let me switch it up and just see if I notice a difference. This is, I think, my second time switching it up and doing it in a different order. I haven't noticed a difference yet, but I'll report back to y'all after I've been doing it for a little while and see if I do notice over time a significant difference. Y'all already know that I do my DIY. This is the container that I took on the trip with me. If you watched my previous video on what I took on the trip, then you already know about the containers, but I have my DIY oil in here that I make, and then also the Lion Locs locking moisturizer. It's lightweight, it smells amazing, and this is what I use as my leave-in conditioner. So today, after I washed, I put in the leave-in conditioner, and then I put oil on top of that. So like I said, we'll see. There's no residue, no buildup or anything like that. So not having any issues with product buildup, never have, don't think I ever will. And if that day comes, then I'll switch up my routine, but for now it's working for me. My locks are flourishing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you can join the flock. And before you go anywhere, check out some of the other videos that have popped up on the screen. I'll see you there.